Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for January 27, 2021. Today is an interesting day. A lot of people getting scared because the market have been run up and keep making all-time high. They slowly put it back up. At one day they will pull the rug out to test out, to scare the people out to see what happened. So if you look at the evening SB 500, look at the chart here. So today, the first day that the market make a big red candle here, to break out a downtrend line. So the question here is, are we going to have a top right here, or is just another correction and then they continue to go higher? So the answer here is right now the market pull back down and then have a support right here. So as long as they can hold up here, and then the market is still able to pull back up. So depend on the nature when they put it back up, they'll be able to continue to put it back higher. If they drop below here, and then we're looking for the level of support at this level here. So overall, that's the first day that we see some weakness on the S&P 500, but I still believe that the market is still hold up very tight here, and then try to shoot one more before we can tell. The market could give it more clear in the next 2 days to see the market they put up because they break it out trend line, the upper support line here. Okay, if they break below here, if they come back, if they cannot get through this line, and then we can see another leg down. But if not, then they be able to get back and take over the line, and we will continue to have one more before we have a correction. So let's see where the market heading to. So don't panic yet. Even though it look a little bit scary, but the support is still hold up them very well. And if you look at the SBY, okay, it's the same thing. So today they break down the support, so they pull back, but they are right at the support right now. So let's see tomorrow when the market open, are they be able to come back up, or they will give up at this level? Then we start to analyze to see that where they're going to stop. Okay, so look at the QQQ. They're also coming down, but they're still pretty strong. They come back down, but they feel the gap, but they hold up here. So it means that the QQQ is still very strong. The technology stock they still have still hold up very well. The Dow is also put it back down, but right at support. So let's see tomorrow they'll be able to come back up, and then we can see what happens next. So after hour, as you can see that the NQ they still hold up pretty well at the support line here. They have not broken the upper support line yet. So technically it's still very bullish. The Russell 2000 also hold up at the upper support line here. So not yet. So the market is still hang tight there. So don't panic yet. Okay, we will see by tomorrow or Friday to see they're able to come back up. So also you can see that the Dow here, they found a support here on the future. So if they can hold up here and put back up, the market will rebound. Okay, and then we will see from there. If you are in our live trading room today, so you see the market, we look at the market, we know that the market is very choppy, and then because it's in the downside in the morning. So at 6:30, market just slam it down, and we'll be able to find support, and then shoot it back up, and then it hit to the downtrend line here, couldn't go higher. So you can see that they turn around and come back down, come back to the buy zone, they put it back up right into the resistance, they slam it down, and this time they break through the support line here, and they continue to the downside. And now let's see the market be able to come back and get above the downtrend line or not. We will see it by tomorrow. Okay, so today it's a wild trade because the market is very volatile. If you look at the chart here, early in the morning, I already warned our member that look at the VIX. Okay, the VIX breakthrough here is like the lion get out of the zoo. Look at here, they stay up. Look at when the VIX pop up. Okay, the people are scared to death. Okay, they run for cover. But however, the VIX is hit to the sell zone here. So definitely they have to have a tough time to get through the sell zone here, unless they were able to market it really bad. And then we will see it by tomorrow. So this level should hold them up and slam them down again. Let's see, they will do it tomorrow. If you are look at the chart here, so that's why when the VIX is coming up, the people getting fearful. and the market continue to everybody sell and get out, and that's why the market it dropped very fast. Okay, so we'll be able to manage to get a long move, wild move here on the upside, wild move here for the outside. So I took a couple of long trades, a couple of short trades. So total net profit today at $4,056, and so if you look at a lot of stuff that we analyze during the weekly market forecast, look at the XLRE. It's the home builder real estate sector. They still doing well. However, they hit to the resistance this morning, and then they pulled back a little bit here. But a lot of stuff in this sector is still doing well. You can see the Toll Brother is still very strong there. KB Home, okay, so still hanging tight there. And bio sector, they hit the home run since yesterday. I told you that people start taking profit, and today they take the profit. So they pulled back down, so they break out. So this is the next level of support of the bio stock, and a lot of stock in this sector also pull back when they run to the resistance. So they pull back before they can get some more momentum. Amgen, okay, those stocks that we see here, they break out and they come back and retest. So a lot of stocks already are now earning, like Johnson Johnson, they already shoot it up right through resistance. So now they come back to fill up the gap there. For the electric vehicle and clean energy, you know, those stocks are still going crazy. Okay, while all stocks are still going down, but though clean energy, they still shoot it back up. You know, you can see here this morning they shoot it back up again. But another one that also shoot back up, but a little bit, but people are taking profits. So this one is still a little bit choppy because they are too fast. So you have to be careful on those stocks right now. But the most important thing is because I'm still look at very positive for the stock market, because if you look at a lot of stock we analyze, a stock that I analyze for you have an earning this week. So the Johnson Johnson, they're doing well, so they already shoot it up on the top. And AMD, okay, AMD chart. So as you can see here, let's go one by one. So okay, J&J, as you can see here, so this stock the earnings shoot it back up, people take profit. And AMD, okay, AMD, I told you, they go into the sell zone, so no way that it can go higher. So that gives you the thing that market, when they're earning, it should be no good. So they break down, and then they continue to go down there before they can find the way to stabilize, before they can come back up. And the Apple, they are now earning today, okay. So this is the first time Apple are now earning with more than $100 billion this quarter. That's a lot of big number there. So but after hour they drop a little bit, but it's no big deal because this stock is still just a couple of percent. It won't tell you much different because they break out and they come back retest and they continue to the upside. And Microsoft, MSFT, Microsoft have a good earning. So they shoot it back up, they pull back down a little bit, but even though the market almost go crazy today, but Microsoft still hold up very tight. So they tell you that the Microsoft will be continue to push it back up, okay? And Tesla, they miss earning a little bit, but they say that, you know, from now on, every quarter, they will go up 50%. So that's good. So it means that this stock after hour, they drop, okay, 62 points. But, you know, I don't think that's a major problem yet because they put it back up, so they pull back down. So a lot of people they jump in, they try to buy option and hope that they can, you know, reach overnight. But that's not the case. Institution, they know that they will hold up, they slam it down, so they will come back and retest. And then technically, okay, they still doing very well there. So they still hold up about this line here. It means that they still have a chance to put it back up again. So Facebook, you know that another trouble stock that we can see here. on Sunday I make the video. I told you Facebook, you have a little room here to get into the resistance. So you can see that they fail every time they get to resistance. So today they already tell you that they're already coming down, and after hour they miss earning. So, and plus the political issue on the cancel account, this and that. So this one will cause Facebook a problem. So definitely they will coming down to the support line before they can find a way to put it back up again. So tomorrow we still have the Visa and MasterCard. So those stocks are still in the downtrend that you can see here. So that's why, you know, that's why 3 out of 8 stocks I picked for earnings. So Microsoft doing well, Apple still doing well. The Tesla, it goes even the big drop, but it's just a sideways, so it's no big deal yet. So because the reason the S&P 500 is still hold up, okay, very good, because the Microsoft and Apple, no, they already weighted 45% of the S&P 500 there. So if those two stocks still hold up pretty well, the market still have a chance to rebound and put it back up to the upside until those two stocks, okay, plus Amazon, if they are still hang up tight there, then the market is still be able to stabilize. Okay, Amazon is still inside the triangle here, but sooner or later, if they break out here, so Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla, those stuff, they will put the market up to the upside again. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So don't panic yet. Okay, the market is still hang around there. So as long as they can hold up the support, and then we can see that, you know, the potential to put it back up. So when they get back to the resistance here, we will find out what they're going to do next. So we will inform you every day on the YouTube. So make sure that you sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know so that you can follow along. And if you would like to understand how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart by using modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and then we will see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone.